being the 9th and 12th overall novel from biggest selling English language novelist in India, as reported by New York Times, Chetan Bhagat's One Arranged Murder, which got published on 20th September 2020 as a sequel to his previous work, Girl in Room Number 105, that was released 2 years back. This particular book, the latest offering by Chetan Bhagat, One Arranged Murder, is creating a stir since its release in Indian literary market. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha. In today's video, I will talk about Chetan Bhagat's latest offering, One Arranged Murder. I know I'm posting this video very late, but I always believe better late than never. So do watch this video till the end. I will share all my feedback on this book, as well as I would like to know if you have read Chetan Bhagat. I'm sure most of you have read. What is your feedback about his work as a writer? Which of his previous work have you read? Have you read this particular book, One Arranged Murder? And what is your opinion on this particular book? So now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. As quoted by Chetan Bhagat himself, One Arranged Murder is a murder mystery set in the backdrop of an arranged marriage. It has got humor filled with relatable Indian characters. And to amateur detective solve a murder mystery, a murder of a person who is associated with one of them. Now let me read some of the initial lines of the book. Ever since you found Prerna, I lost my best friend, is what I told Saurav. Hi, this is Keshav. Saurav is my best friend, flatmate, colleague, business partner, and won't talk to me because I made fun of him and his fiancée. Saurav and Prerna are getting married soon, and it is an arranged marriage. However, there is more cheesy romance between them than a love marriage. Now let me tell you something about the plot of this particular book. As you understood from the beginning lines of the book, that Saurav is having an arranged marriage with Prerna. On the eve of Karwa Chauth, Prerna calls Saurav secretly to visit her at the terrace of her 3-story building. Saurav agrees. Saurav goes to meet Prerna, only to find out that Prerna has fallen from the terrace of the 3-story building and is killed. Now, this is One Arranged Murder. To know more about the book, definitely you have to read this gripping murder mystery by Chetan Bhagat. Now, let me talk critically about different aspects of this particular book, One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat. Also, I will tell you that in between, for the last 10 years, I believe, I have not read any books by Chetan Bhagat. I had read, I think, Two States was the last book that I had read. Three Mistakes of My Life I haven't read. I watched the movie, which was Kai Po Che. And in 2007, 2008, I had read One Night at a Call Center, which I didn't like, but 5 Point Someone was something that I liked. Now, I have a mixed opinion about Mr. Chetan Bhagat, because I believe that this person was responsible for bringing a whole new generation into the practice of reading books, which had long gone during the kids or the youth of means the people who were kids or youth during the late 2000. And two most important authors who were responsible, one was J.K. Rowling, who bought Harry Potter series, and the popularity of Harry Potter worldwide turned many people into readers. In India, many people started reading books. Many IITians started writing books because of the immense success which Chetan Bhagat got from his book, particularly 5 Point Someone. Now let us get back to this particular book, One Arranged Murder. His latest. First, let me talk about characterization. As you can understand, the two main protagonists, Saurav and Keshav, are common in this particular book too. They were there in room number 105. There also they have solved a case. I have not read room number 105, but let me tell you, you will have no problem if you haven't read room number 105, because that is a separate story. This is a separate story. Apart from Saurav and Keshav, there is Prerna, who has been murdered or killed or had a suicide. That you will know only after reading the book. Apart from this, there is Prerna's extended Punjabi family who live in upscale Delhi, which includes Prerna's parents, Prerna's brother, Prerna's cousin. Then there is Prerna's uncle, Prerna's bua or auntie, and Prerna's dadi. All these people live in one particular house, and there is Prerna's business partner. Now, each of the characters has been described with their distinctive characteristic trait. As an author, the writer has been successful in creating their distinctive character. A detailed review is published in my blog preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. Do check it. Over here, I will just go via pointers and talk about the different aspect of the book. Now, let me go to the plot of this particular book, One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat. The plot of the book is extremely fast. In the first 20 pages, readers understand the climax, which is whether Prerna is killed or it is a suicide case, and as readers, you get hooked into the plot of the book. And I am sure, except somewhat towards the end, the pace of the book is very, very good. The author should be applauded for maintaining a uniform pace throughout the book. Now I will talk about the language of One Arranged Murder. Now you know what? Chetan Bhagat writes book for masses. By writing murder mystery, I think he is trying to create a market for himself like that had been created ages back for Agatha Christie. Now this is just my personal opinion. Now in this particular book, the language is very easy. As I told, the book is for masses. So a beginner will read the book as well as an avid reader will read the book. Maybe the speed at which an avid reader will read the book will be faster than a beginner. But in both cases, both kind of reader will enjoy reading this particular book. Like I started reading this book on one Sunday evening, and I finished. This is one of the books that I have finished in one sitting, in one particular evening. So you can understand how much hooked I was into the book, into the storytelling, into the style of storytelling, into the way the author was successful to grip my mind as a reader. And that is where the success of a particular author lies. This is what I strongly believe. Now I will talk about the title and the cover of the book. One Arranged Murder. As I have told you, this plot deals with the murder of this particular girl called Prerna. So you have murder in the title of the book. The author has done right justification by citing or by choosing a proper title for this particular book, One Arranged Murder. Next thing, I will talk about the title. See, the title of the book, what I find, this is my opinion. I don't know what you people will say. Whatever is your opinion, please write in the comment section below. I have seen in the previous books of Chetan Bhagat also, he keeps the book cover extremely simple. The same has been done over here also. I think as a reader, and since he is the biggest contemporary popular Indian author of current day and age, he can work with his, or he can experiment with his cover. But that is again his call, his marketing team's call. I can only say my viewpoint in my videos. If you have anything to say regarding his cover or his book's title, do mention in the comment section below. Well, the link of all the books by Chetan Bhagat is mentioned in the description section below. So if after watching this particular video you want to buy any of the books by Chetan Bhagat, then do buy it from the link given in the description section below, because if you buy it from the link given in the description section below, then I get small percentage as my commission from Amazon affiliate link. Also, as I have told, I have written a full blog on this particular book, One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat, which is in more detail. Videos tend to be a little precise. So you can check out at preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. To be a member of my Facebook group, it is by the name Book Tales by Preetha. Do follow me on Instagram if you are there on Instagram. My handle is by the name Book Tales by Preetha. On Twitter it is @Preetha Sharkar 18. And now let me get back to One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat, and I will talk now what I liked about this particular book, One Arranged Murder. Now, this book, One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat, has got perfect editing. This book, I have read it in e-format, and it was around 220 or 250 pages, if not wrong. And I am perfectly okay with the number of pages the author has used to write this particular book. There was no unnecessary dragging. This is a major plus point of this particular book, One Arranged Murder. Also, Chetan Bhagat writes on modern youth, contemporary India. So, the characters that he has mentioned in this particular book, if you think little bit, you will see these kind of characters are very relatable. They reside in the very society that we live in. So, again, here the mastery of the author should be mentioned, because he is talking and creating characters who we as reader can think and find out and visualize from the society that we are living in. So this is definitely what I liked in this particular book too, One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat. Now I will tell you point wise certain things that I did not like in this particular book, One Arranged Murder. Firstly, unlike the previous book by the author Chetan Bhagat, in this particular book also brand integration has been done. People who are into marketing, unlike me, will very easily connect with where the brand integration has been done. You know what? Brand integration, because I know this process very well, should be done in a subtle manner. It should not be forced. But this was very much obvious particularly in the initial chapters of this particular book, One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat. The second thing is fat shaming. Is it wrong if somebody is born fat or in the process becomes fat? I think Mr. Bhagat thinks so. And that is why when he wants to make sarcastic comment and when he wants his readers to laugh on some kind of humor, he talks about people who are fat or people who like to eat in a manner as if it is a grave mistake they are doing. Now, this is not something such a popular author whom many people read, follow, should do. Because on one side we see currently people are taking stand against the ones who do fat shaming. On another side, we are seeing authors of mass culture selecting topics of fat shaming and using it in a satirical and sarcastic manner. Now, if you have read this book, what are your views on the way fat shaming has been so rigorously done by the author Chetan Bhagat? Do mention in the comment section. I would like to hear your opinion as well. The third thing that I would like to talk, which I did not like, is the way he has described the female character in this particular book, One Arranged Murder. When you are describing a particular character, do you need to give inch to inch details of what kind of attire the female person is wearing? The same thing we cannot see when you are talking about your male characters. Why is this imbalance in representation of characters' attire? This is also one of the questions which I would like to ask mass culture author or popular author Mr. Bhagat. And this thing I have not only observed in this particular book. 10 years back when I read his other books also, there also I remember similar, but in this case it is becoming more and more observable and visible. The fourth thing that I did not like in this book is, and this if anybody who is watching my video who is working in IT or related field, or if you have family members or closed ones who are working in IT or related field, do let me know that is getting a holiday from IT job very easy? Is convincing your boss or your manager to give you a holiday just to follow your passion by giving him some stories or telling him some lies so readily available? I don't think this happens in reality. But that is what Mr. Bhagat has again presented in this particular book, One Arranged Murder. Please share your views on this too, if you are watching my video till here. And the last thing which I did not like about this book, One Arranged Murder, but this is not for the people who just read books occasionally. This, I think, people who are avid reader like me will point out the language that he has used is mostly English language. Very good for beginners, good for making people to hold a book, read it and finish it. But you know what? The people who are avid reader may not find it very interesting. Also, the plot, if you have read books by Sherlock Holmes or Agatha Christie, then you will start questioning the plot, and after a certain point you will yourself identify who the killer is. At least that's what happened with me. Those who have read this book, and if you are a voracious reader, please share your feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear your opinion on this matter. Now let me talk about who will read this particular book, One Arranged Murder, the latest offering by Chetan Bhagat. People who are beginners, who read occasionally, will find this book an enjoyable read. I'm sure about that. For avid reader, this is a good one-time read for passing your time. Now let me talk about who will not enjoy reading this book and who can give this book a miss. Avid readers who read Agatha Christie, Sherlock Holmes and other murder mystery novels can try this book or can give this book a miss. This is my opinion. Choose wisely. Now overall I will rate this book 3.85 out of 5 star. If you have read this particular book, One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat, then what is your overall opinion on this particular book, One Arranged Murder by Chetan Bhagat? Do share your feedback in the comment section. And if you like this video of mine where I have tried to make a detailed review considering all the aspects that should be present in a book review, if you like it, then do hit the like button. If you want to watch similar video, then do subscribe my channel, Book Tales by Preetha. I come up with new videos every week. Thank you for watching this particular video till the very end. Tata and bye-bye, and I will see you soon in my next video.